A little tool I want to go through also is the section creator. And many of you are surely familiar with the fact that AutoCAD has a section creator. I'm not going to do it on that massive drawing, but you can do a section in AutoCAD by going into layout, and you can create a viewport. Actually show how to, what is it, something like 3D clip, isn't it? Yeah, potentially you will, with a big drawing, you are in a good chance that you would break your drawing. Oh yeah, sure, I did it wrong already. So first of all, you need to move your view to the section view, and then you can do this 3D clip and then adjust the clipping planes to wherever they are relevant. Let's just imagine these were relevant. I don't know if they're on or off right now. Now they're off. They're on, it seems. So now I have created a section somehow here of elements. This is a nice tool, and but it has a tendency to break your AutoCAD or fatal error it if you have a large drawing. And it only allows you to draw a section in the orthogonal planes unless you set up a camera which is placed in the correct position to use in your clipping plane or viewport. And then placing the sectioning lines is taking forever if you want to do it accurately. What can be done is to see if I can, yes, under miscellaneous, you have apparently under manipulate symbols, you have something called the automatic section creator. And in this particular case, since I had someone do it for me, I was focusing on how to do it. And this is the, you click on that particular button here, and you will load that Word document that I just had here, there, that tells you how to do it. So I'm just going to do one so you can see the result of it. Insert section block there. Testing angle, I want to rotate this one. I am very good at angles. So have a section here. The first thing is that this element here actually is placed 208 meters above zero. And since I clicked on height 0, I'm just going to elevate this one to the same height as the conveyor. Then you have something about depth and blah, blah, blah. And the name of it, I'm just going to call this one ABJ section. And then I am going to write BGH snit. So in here, you get a little form that tells you what kind of sections are in here. And now setting up the camera, which was something you could do and create a section yourself, you simply put in this one, and now you have a camera that actually functions for this section. Then we go out and we go into our layout. It's a viewport. And we go into the model space of the viewport. You know about the neighbor space and model space of the viewport, hopefully. And again, go into that command, bgh snit. Click on this one, and you add this crossing to the viewport. I'm just going to put the backclip distance to 3 meters. But that was a penalty. Scale 50. That's not all of them are perfect. Let's just see if I now I'm adding that particular view to the viewport, and I'm going to update it. So I'm just going to close the box up here, if it allows me to. Alternatively, it could break down AutoCAD. That was. I'm just gonna remove this is the visual indication of the section. So you can remove that once you have inserted it. And now this is the, remember.
Alan, just because you zoomed in, then the scale is not correctly anymore.
I know. I messed up.
Sorry.
Always the zooming. I don't trust that particular code on zooming, but setting up the camera and the depth of the clipping, that actually works brilliantly.
Yeah, I have been using that for when you're showing me the first, and it's really, I just will say to all of you, use it. It's very quick.
Yeah, compared to creating them in hand. Yeah.
Exactly.
Just gonna go create a top view viewport up here. It's a rather large drawing. That's why it takes so long to regenerate. Just wanted to have a visualization on the section we are using now. This is the divert we have here. Now I actually turned off a lot of layers in here from the blocks, like the side guards and so on. But you can see me clicking those elements and having for this particular view a perpendicular side and a section